Oh, hey crafty people! So I was watching YouTube and guess what I found? Some interesting recipes, and you know what? I'm gonna try them. Oh, now I am pretty hyped for this. So this is croissant. You basically mash it, break it, whatever. Then eggs, pretty easy, and milk, sugar, blend it. And now here's the thing, right? So you put the croissants in the shapes and then you put fruit over it. They put a lot of fruit. They put blueberries and chocolate. I'm gonna put just strawberries. I'm really curious to see if it's gonna be shaped like this. I mean, it should be, but I don't know. Let's check it out. Okay, so let's start with the croissants. So I have croissants here. I have the strawberries for the decor, and 4 eggs, milk, and sugar. I will be right back after I mix the eggs, the milk, and the sugar right in this. I have the eggs, the milk, and the sugar mixed with a mixer in this. And now I'm gonna use this to make those small croissant cakes. They are pretty small, but it should be alright because the croissant cakes should be pretty small. So
now I will rip the croissants and try to fill this as much as possible. So yeah, I'm pretty curious how this will turn out. It seems pretty tasty, to be honest. But I think the kind of croissant that you use will determine the taste of this more than anything. Also, try and get, if you want to do this, try and get normal croissants without cream, because I think the cream will mix badly with this. And I got those mini croissants, and it looks like I'm almost done. Yeah, should be fine. I don't know, maybe I should try the one with like to use vanilla croissants, not normal croissants. Yeah, maybe that would be a good idea, but I guess they use normal croissants also, so.
and okay, looks pretty good. So it kind of looks like this. Now I'm gonna put this.
I'll try to eyeball this. It's not an exact science, I guess. Yeah, I think I put a bit more on that one. Yeah, trying to. Okay, yeah, looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna put some strawberries. Yeah, I know they put strawberries, they put some blackberries, they put even some chocolate, so I guess anything works really, but yeah, I have strawberries, so I'm gonna use strawberries. Also, I think I'm gonna leave one cookie without strawberries, just to see how it is without strawberries. So. And that's almost it.
Now also, I don't know how much you have to bake this, but yeah, I'm gonna try different times and I will check in to see. So let's bake this. Okay, so while that is cooking, let's check out another recipe, and it's also kind of an interesting one, but also stay tuned and keep watching if you want to see how that turns out. Okay, so this one, it's I mean, it's kind of like the one we did before with the croissants, but it just seems a worst version of it. But if you don't have the ability to bake it, I guess you can use a microwave for this. I mean, let's see. So basically you take an egg, okay, you take milk, and then instead of putting crushed croissant, you put crushed bread, and then microwave it instead of baking it. I guess it's gonna work, but yeah, you see, I don't think it's gonna look like that. It's gonna look like a mush, but I guess we have to try it. So let's try it. Okay, so for this hack, I'm gonna use our previous mixture that I used with the croissants, with milk, eggs, and a bit of sugar. So it's just eggs, milk and sugar mixed with a mixer, and I'm gonna break some bread and put it in. And then they said microwave for 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna try and microwave it for 2 minutes, but I'm gonna see how it turns out, because I think you need to microwave it for more than 2 minutes, but we'll see. So let me break another one, and yeah, so let's microwave it. Yeah, it looks kind of like a mush. I'm gonna put the strawberries in, but it doesn't look tasty at all. It's just basically bread with mush. So yeah, here is it how it looks. I'm gonna let it cool and then I'm gonna taste it, but I'm not excited to taste it, not one bit. Okay, so this thing, I don't know, should I eat it with my hand, or it's definitely solid. It's supposed to be like a cake, I guess, but it's just a big mush of bread, and the strawberries are completely tacked on. I mean, it's good, it's decent, but yeah, you should better, like, if you want this, just skip this and do the croissant one. The one with croissant, basically kind of the same thing, but with croissants and strawberries. That's definitely way better. Okay, so it actually looks amazing. Let's see how it's consistent, like you can cut it, so it's, yeah, the inside doesn't look that good, but it's actually amazing, and it was pretty easy to do. So this is definitely worth it. It's really good. Now I do wonder if this works with croissants with the cream or chocolate or whatever, I don't know, jam inside. That would be interesting to try another time. Thank you very much for watching until the end of the video, and if you want more, always subscribe, like, comment, and please actually comment if you're gonna try one of these, which one are you going to try. And also thank you very much that you spend your time with us trying weird cooking things. See ya.